Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's learn and grow together. In the previous lecture series, we have seen the first topic, solid state. It is from the physical chemistry, and we will start now halogen derivatives, the 10th chapter from the new syllabus, 12th organic chemistry, and it is for 4 to 6 marks. जो सॉलिड स्टेट होता तो सुद्धा 6 मार्क्ससाठी त्याच्यावरती क्वेश्चन येत होते आणि हा सुद्धा एक 6 मार्क्ससाठी चॅप्टर आहे. म्हणजे आपण जर हे दोन्ही चॅप्टर व्यवस्थित केले तर आपल्याला फिजिकल आणि ऑर्गॅनिक, बऱ्याचशा विद्यार्थ्यांची अशी मागणी होती की ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री जरा सुरुवात करावी, म्हणून आपण 10 नंबरचा चॅप्टर जो ऑर्गॅनिक सेक्शन मधून येतो तो सुरुवात करतोय. हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सुरुवातीला आपल्याला 11वी मध्ये बेसिक प्रिन्सिपल्स अँड टेक्निक्स, हायड्रोकार्बन्स, त्याच्यामध्ये अल्केन्स, अल्किन्स अँड अल्काइन्स याचा आपण स्टडी केलेला आहे. ॲरोमॅटिक कंपाउंड्स ऑल्सो वी हॅव स्टडीड. अँड नाऊ हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज ऑफ हायड्रोकार्बन्स. I have written in the bracket of hydrocarbons. Hence we must know the hydrocarbons. The name itself suggests hydrocarbon means the compounds which are formed from carbon and hydrogen, or the compounds only consist carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. And we have to study halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. That means these are the compounds which are formed or obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atoms. One or more hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbons are replaced. In this case, it is a methane alkane. From the class alkane, there are 4 hydrogen atoms, and halogen derivatives are obtained by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms. One or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by halogen atoms. Then the compounds are formed. These compounds are known as halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. And these hydrocarbons are of 2 types. We have already seen. These are aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. We have taken here the example of aliphatic hydrocarbon, and we already studied the aromatic hydrocarbon. Example is benzene ring having formula C6H6. Here also 6 hydrogen atoms are present, and if these hydrogen atoms are replaced by halogen atoms, and these halogen atoms are represented by the symbol X. X is the representation of halogen atoms, and these includes, which are these? These are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Hence, if one or more hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbon are replaced by halogens, and these are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, formation of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons takes place. Hence we will take 2 types of examples. It is aliphatic hydrocarbon and it is aromatic hydrocarbon. If hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon is replaced by halogen atom, here we have taken example of chlorine. Hence methyl chloride or chloromethane is formed, and if the hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by chlorine, the formula now will be C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene, and these are the halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. And we have to classify these halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons in 2 types depending upon the carbon skeleton to which this halogen is attached, and also number of halogen atoms present in the organic compound. Hence we will study first the carbon skeleton, म्हणजे हॅलोजन कुठल्या प्रकारच्या कार्बनला अटॅच आहे त्याप्रमाणे त्याचे 4 प्रकार केलेले आहेत. त्यातला पहिला आपण जर पाहिला, ओळखीचा वाटतो आपल्याला, हॅलो अल्केन. What are halo alkanes? In which hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by halogen atom. For example, we have written CH3Cl. This is the example in which halogen atom replaces hydrogen atom of alkane, that is saturated hydrocarbons. Haloalkenes, in which hydrogen atom of alkene is replaced by halogen. For example, CH2 double bond CHCl. In this case, hydrogen atom of ethene is replaced by chlorine, bromine or iodine. And in case of haloalkynes, we have already seen alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. And now we have to replace only one or more hydrogen atoms of these hydrocarbons. These are hydrocarbons, types of hydrocarbons. Alkanes, these are saturated hydrocarbons. Alkenes, unsaturated hydrocarbons containing double bond. Alkynes, unsaturated hydrocarbons containing triple bond. And arenes, that means structures having benzene-like structure or the compounds which follow or satisfy Huckel's rule of aromaticity. These are known as arenes. And if hydrogen atom of these compounds are replaced, we say halogen derivatives of alkanes, halogen derivatives of alkenes, halogen derivatives of alkynes, and you can represent halogen derivative of alkyne as CH triple bond CCl, and we have written the example of haloarine here. Hence, halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons are classified depending upon carbon skeleton, and these includes haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne and haloarenes. Now another type of classification is number of halogen atoms which are present in that compound, and depending upon they are again classified as monohalogen derivatives of hydrocarbon, dihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbon, trihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, depending upon number of halogen atoms present in that compound. First of all, we will see the monohalogen derivative. Already we have seen the example of monohalogen derivative. It is chloromethane, or we will write another example, CH3CH2Cl, that is ethyl chloride, only one halogen is present. Another example of aromatic, it is a chlorobenzene. In these two compounds only one halogen is present, hence these are known as monohalogen derivatives. In case of di, we have to replace another one hydrogen atom. We will replace CH3CH. There are two hydrogen atoms now. Instead of two, one again it is replaced by another chlorine. It is a dichloroethane or 1,1-dichloroethane, and it is a dihalogen derivative because two halogen atoms are present in the compound, hence it is a dihalogen derivative. We will see again the example, 1,2-dichlorobenzene, 1,2-dichlorobenzene, like this dihalogen derivative. This is example of dihalogen derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon. It is the example of dihalogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbons. Then trihalogen derivative, we can obtain trihalogen, tetrahalogen derivatives or polyhalogen derivatives. Polyhalogen derivatives means if more than 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 4 or more than 4 halogen atoms. For example, pentahalogen derivative we have seen. Also we have seen the hexahalogen derivative, and all the hydrogen atoms of benzene we have replaced by electrophilic substitution of chlorine, and here hydrogen atoms are now replaced by halogen atoms. And if you remember, you have studied that compound, and the name of this compound is benzene hexachloride. Sorry, hexachlorobenzene. Hexachlorobenzene. Benzene hexachloride is formed from benzene by addition reaction. That compound also we have seen. In this compound, all the 6 hydrogen atoms of benzene are replaced, hence it is known as a polyhalogen derivative or hexahalogen derivative of hydrocarbon or benzene, and it is a hexachlorobenzene. This compound is hexachlorobenzene because all the 6 hydrogen atoms are replaced, hence the molecular formula of this compound, you have to write the molecular formula of this compound. Try to write the molecular formula. If the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, and if all the hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine, hence the molecular formula becomes C6H6. Sorry, C6Cl6. All the hydrogen atoms are replaced. Hence C6Cl6 is the formula. Hence we will study again. The monohalogen derivatives are now classified in different ways, and these are alkyl halides. This classification is very important because we are now concerned with the monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. Now we are concerned with the monohalogen derivatives. Now monohalogen. Very important. Now it is monohalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, and we will first the type is alkyl halide. First type is alkyl halide, second is allyl halide, third is benzyl halide, fourth is vinyl halide, and fifth is aryl halide, and sixth is haloalkyne. Among these we have seen haloalkyne, alkyl halide also we have seen, but now in detail we will see monohalogen derivative of hydrocarbons. What are monohalogen derivatives? If the compound contains only one halogen atom in its structure, it is known as monohalogen derivative of hydrocarbon. Or if only one hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon is replaced by one halogen atom, and hence we will study first of all alkyl halides. First type is alkyl halide or haloalkanes. Alkyl halides are also known as haloalkanes, and this classification of monohalogen derivatives of alkanes is based upon type of carbon atom to which the halogen is attached. That means the hybridization of that carbon atom to which halogen is attached. In case of alkyl halide, the halogen is attached to alkyl group, and how alkyl group is formed from alkane we have already seen. If one of the hydrogen atom is removed, the monovalent group formed from the alkane, it is known as alkyl group, and it is represented by R, and halogen are represented as X. Hence alkyl halides are represented as Rx, where R is the alkyl group and X is the halogen atom, and which is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. And the alkyl group is of three types: primary alkyl group, secondary alkyl group, and tertiary alkyl group. We will see the example of each of that primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide. Before that, alkyl halide means monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. Now I am saying monohalogen derivatives of alkanes or haloalkanes. These are alkyl halides are haloalkanes, and hence these are represented as Rx. त्यांचं जे रिप्रेझेंटेशन आहे ते RX असं केलं जातं, ज्यामध्ये R हा मिथिल ग्रुप असू शकतो CH3Cl, R हा इथिल ग्रुप असू शकतो CH3CH2Cl, R हा N प्रोपिल किंवा आयसोप्रोपिल ग्रुप असू शकतो जसा की CH3CHCl CH3 म्हणजे हा आयसोप्रोपिल क्लोराइड आहे. टर्शरी ब्युटिल ग्रुप असू शकतो त्याच्यामध्ये, म्हणजे CH3C CH3 आणि Cl. या कंपाऊंडकडे जर आपण पाहिलं तर यामध्ये हा प्रायमरी अल्किल हलाइड आहे, हा सुद्धा प्रायमरी आहे, हा सेकंडरी आहे आणि हा टर्शियरी आहे. आपण कसे आयडेंटिफाय करायचे प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी अँड टर्शियरी अल्काइल हलाइड हे 11 मध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे, की ज्यामध्ये जर हॅलोजन प्रायमरी कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच असेल तर त्याला प्रायमरी अल्काइल हलाइड असं म्हणतात, आणि ते कसं रिप्रेझेंट केलं तर 1 डिग्री, दॅट मीन्स प्रायमरी अल्काइल हलाइड. सेकंडरी असेल तर 2 डिग्री, टर्शियरी असेल तर it is represented as 3 degree. That means depending upon the type of carbon atom to which halogen is attached, it is known these alkyl halides are classified as primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. But in all these cases of alkyl halide, halogen is directly attached to which type of carbon atom? It is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is saturated carbon atom. And we have to identify which carbon atom is primary. If we consider this carbon atom which is not attached to another carbon atom, hence it is a primary carbon and it is primary alkyl halide, hence it is a primary alkyl halide. If we see this compound in which halogen is attached to this carbon and which is attached to another one carbon atom, hence it is also primary. the carbon atom which is attached to another one carbon atom is known as primary carbon atom, and hence it is a primary alkyl halide. If this, we see the another example, CH3, CHCl, CH3. In this compound, this carbon atom is attached to one carbon atom and it is another carbon atom. Two carbon atoms are attached to this carbon and halogen is present on the carbon atom which is attached to another two carbon atoms. Hence it is a secondary alkyl halide. And if we see this compound, the halogen is present on such type of carbon which is attached to how many carbon atoms? First, second and third carbon atom. Hence it is a tertiary alkyl halide. Hence alkyl halides are the compounds in which halogen is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. And how alkyl group is formed? It is formed from alkane by removal of one hydrogen atom from alkane. And the second type we will see, it is allyl halide. The second type is allyl halide. And what is allyl compounds or allylic halides? The allyl group is, it is a group in which halogen is again attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is next to carbon-carbon double bond. That means it includes carbon-carbon double bond and also sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and halogen is present on sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Such type of compounds are known as allylic compounds, and if halogen is present, it is known as allylic halide. This is a allylic halide in which halogen is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of allyl group. Then what is allyl group? If the carbon atom or halogen is attached to the carbon atom which is next to carbon-carbon double bond. This is a carbon-carbon double bond and halogen is present on the carbon which is next. त्याच्या पुढच्या कार्बन वरती हॅलोजन जर असेल तर असं जे अलिलिक हॅलाइड, असं जे हॅलाइड असेल त्याला म्हणायचं अलिलिक हॅलाइड्स. And again we can write primary allylic halide, secondary allylic halide and tertiary allylic halide. I will give some example. This group is constant, CH2 double bond CH. Again instead of CH2 I will write CH, X and X, or instead of X we will write the example bromine. If you see it is dibromo, we have to see the mono. If a CH3 is present again, this carbon atom which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond and halogen is present on the carbon atom which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond च्या पुढच्या कार्बन वरती हॅलोजन प्रेझेंट आहे म्हणजे हे कसला आहे? ॲलिलिक हॅलाइड आहे. Whether it is a primary, secondary or tertiary allylic halide, if we observe this carbon atom is attached to this carbon and this carbon, hence it is a secondary allylic halide. And you have to write the tertiary allylic halide. This group is constant in case of allylic halide because carbon atom to which halogen is attached is present on the carbon atom which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. And here if two alkyl groups are present, here also CH3, and this carbon atom to which halogen is attached, it is attached to how many carbon atoms? 1, 2 and 3. Hence it is a tertiary allyl halide. Hence we have taken the example of primary allyl halide, secondary allyl halide and tertiary allyl halide. Allyl halide means the halogen is present on a carbon which is attached to carbon-carbon double bond or which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. These compounds are known as allyl halides. And it is also very important that in case of allyl halides, the halogen is present on which type of carbon atom? sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is adjacent to alkene group. And another type is now benzyl halides. The benzyl group, already we have seen in the 11th standard in the aromatic compounds, the benzyl group. Benzyl group means the C6H5 CH2 group is known as a benzyl group. This group is known as benzyl group, in which the group halogen is attached to the carbon which is next to the benzene ring, which is next to the benzene ring. Halogen is present on the carbon atom which is next to the benzene ring. It is known as benzylic halide, benzyl halide or benzylic halide. Halogen is present on the carbon atom which is next to the benzene ring. This is the benzene ring, and halogen is present on the carbon which is next to the benzene ring. It is known as primary benzyl halide. And now we will see the secondary benzyl halide also. The example C6H5 or benzene ring. We will write the benzene ring instead of writing C6H5. That means benzene ring, which is also known as phenyl group. One of the hydrogen is replaced by CH2 group, and again we will write the secondary. Halogen is present on the carbon atom which is next to the benzene ring, and that carbon atom is attached to another carbon atom. Hence it is a secondary benzyl halide, because this carbon atom to which halogen is attached, it is attached to the two carbon atoms. Here carbon atom, here another carbon atom. The carbon atom to which halogen is attached, it is attached to the another two carbon atoms. Hence it is a secondary benzyl halide. It is a type of benzylic halide, but it is secondary, and it is a primary because halogen is present on primary carbon. That carbon atom is attached to one of the carbon atom of benzene ring. Hence it is a primary benzylic halide. We will write the structure of tertiary benzyl halide. You must try to write the structure. CH3, again CH3 and chlorine or bromine. If you observe this compound, you will see halogen atom is attached to the carbon which is attached to the benzene ring. Next to the benzene ring, halogen is present on the carbon which is next to the benzene ring. Hence it is a benzylic halide. And this, the type of carbon atom is, again it is sp3 hybridized, but it is attached to how many carbon atoms? 1, 2 and 3. Hence it is a tertiary benzyl halide, tertiary benzyl halide. And the fourth is the vinyl halides. In case of alkyl halide we have seen primary, secondary, tertiary. In case of allyl halide also we have seen primary, secondary and tertiary. In case of benzyl halide also we have seen primary, secondary and tertiary. But in case of vinyl halides we will not see primary, secondary and tertiary. In case of aryl halides also we will not see primary, secondary and tertiary. And also in case of haloalkanes we will not see primary, secondary and tertiary, because in all these three carbon atom to which halogen was attached, it was sp3 hybridized carbon atom. And remember, primary, secondary and tertiary carbons we consider only in case of alkanes and not in case of alkenes and alkynes. Hence, because sp3 hybridized carbon atom we considered only primary, secondary and tertiary for sp3 hybridized carbon atom and not sp2 hybridized carbon atom. And now vinyl halide. In case of vinyl halide, halogen is present on the carbon which is having double bond. This is the example of vinyl halide. Now I already declared that this compound do not have primary, secondary and tertiary, because halogen is present on the carbon which is a dash hybridized, which is a sp2 hybridized. How to identify the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp2 hybridized carbon atom? We have already seen if carbon have 4 single bonds, it is sp3 hybridized. If carbon have 1 double bond, it is sp2 hybridized. If we observe this structure, this carbon atom is attached to one hydrogen atom by single bond, one chlorine atom by single bond, and again double bond by carbon atom. That means three sigma bonds and one pi bond is present. Hence it is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. And halogen is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the vinyl group. This is a vinyl chloride, and we know the vinyl chloride combined together for several times and form PVC, polyvinyl chloride, the compound formed from this important compound. And we will see only one example of vinyl halide. And again aryl halide, already we have seen aryl halide. In case of aryl halides, halogen is attached to the which type of carbon atom is this? I have already mentioned that if carbon atom have double bond, then it is sp2 hybridized. Hence, in case of aryl halides, halogen atom is present on sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aryl group, that is benzene ring. Hence, these are known as aryl halides or haloarenes. These are known as haloarenes, and we have to study in detail alkyl halides, that is haloalkanes, and aryl halides, that is haloarenes. And last type is haloalkyne. And in case of haloalkynes, we have already seen the halogen atom is attached to sp hybridized carbon atom of halogen atom. We will stop here. We will study the nomenclature in the next video. Thank you.